Hey everyone, Battalion Chief Dean Guccione here again with my friends from the American Pyrotechnics Safety and Education Foundation. Let's talk about some setup do's and don'ts to keep you safe this holiday season. Don't place fireworks on any surface that could collapse, and don't shoot fireworks that have not been properly braced. Don't shoot fireworks from makeshift racks, and don't shoot reloadable shells from tubes for which they were not designed. Don't shoot fireworks from glass containers, and don't discharge fireworks from any part of the body. Don't shoot fireworks towards people, pet, or property, and especially don't drink and use fireworks. But do remember that a safe show is a responsible show.